This is the model I've been working on for the last 3 months. It's a Caterpillar 390 FL. It's a 90-ton excavator, and it's the first time that I've made a model with tracks, and they turned out quite well really. If I could show you, if I press on this, you can see there's a spring in here, and it keeps tension on the tracks. So this wood is Iroko. It's prone to swelling and shrinking as the moisture changes in the atmosphere. So if it does, the tracks will keep the spring will keep the tracks under tension and keep them working as well as they are now. I used 3 different types of wood in this model. This is walnut, this is maple, and the tracks and carriages are made with Iroko. Put quite a bit of detail into this model. There's a lot of steps, handrails, grab rails. There's a door here to walk in to service the engine area and hydraulics. There's a door here leading into the engine, and you might not be able to see it, but there's scraps of lead in there, and they're balancing the machine, giving it a counterbalance for the arm. This time I put hydraulics on the machine as well to give it a little more a touch of realism. And while I was doing the hydraulics, I thought I'd put in the auxiliary hydraulic line for a rock breaker, or a hammer as Caterpillar would call it. It fits on where these 2 pins are here and plugs in to the hydraulics there. In the cab this time we got a little bit more detail in. There's even a can in the drinks holder, a red can in an American machine. I wonder what could that be. One other thing I did on this machine, which I hadn't done previously, was fit a proper slew ring. You can't see it, but it's there. My nephew made it for me. He's an aircraft engineer, and it's made to a very, very high tolerance, and it has absolutely no movement in it. I have every confidence in the machine slewing around, no problems. So that's it. Cat 390 FL.